Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make text bigger on Snapchat, right? So let's go into the Snapchat mobile application here, right? And once you do it, maybe you have to just click on the chat section here, right? And let's say that I'm texting him, right? I will text him and let's say I will just write here, what's up, right? And whatever, you can just write it and make sure your Snapchat is updated, right? So when I type here something, you will see this option, right? The arrow up and down, right? So if I just click and hold and just go up, it will make the text bigger, as well as if I just slide it down, it will make the text smaller, right? So this is very easy, but the only thing is that your Snapchat should be updated. So this is it guys, and yeah, this is only way to make your text bigger over the Snapchat. This is it. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.